to my channel. I'm Trisha Gupta and today I'm gonna swatch and review Inside Cosmetics' newest launch, their soft blur matte lipsticks. I have three shades with me, so saying that, let's get started. So this is what the inner packaging looks like. By the way, side note, मैंने stick on nails लगाए थे and एक nail कब गिर गया मैंने notice नहीं किया, so ignore that. But this is the inner packaging. The packaging is simple but good. I don't know what the material is. It's very lightweight, so I think it's plastic. I'm comparing this to the other inside lipstick and this one is very lightweight. Now the first shade that I'm trying is Honey Pink 04. I received a broken lipstick. It's not that broken, but this is the quantity you get. And here's a hand swatch, and वो photo जो मैंने दी है वो उनके website से मैंने निकाली है. Now it smells exactly like the other one they have launched. I don't like the smell personally. It smells like eraser, but the formula is quite pigmented. It gives you that one swipe pigment and it glides on very easily, like very smooth application. But I have to say the shade photo doesn't match the exact shade, but still better than the other one. I really like this shade. It's a very pretty pink shade that will suit so many Indian skin tones. Even medium and tan girlies will like this. It's really pretty. I really like it, and the formula feels very comfortable. I think this lipstick doesn't claims to be transfer proof, but let's do a transfer test. So I can see a bit of transfer, but it's not much. So I decided to do a smudge test, and obviously it's not smudge proof, it was smudging. The next shade that I have is Serene Peach 07. It's a very pretty nude shade, and honestly speaking I was expecting a nude shade even though the swatch doesn't match. जो फोटो दी थी हर फोटो में थोड़ा डिफरेंट लग रहा था ये शेड, एंड inside needs to improve the swatches they provide, please. Inside, anyways, again the formula is really pigmented, glides on smoothly. Honestly, I really like this formula. After you apply this, it takes like few seconds to dry, and after drying it gives you that soft powdery matte finish. And this shade is a very pretty peachy warm shade, but it's not super warm. Even though I like the formula, I will say this formula is nothing special or nothing unique. ऐसे लिपस्टिक्स मार्केट में मिलते रहते हैं, but yeah, the formula is good. Lastly, I have my personal favorite shade, Mysterious Brown. I wasn't expecting to like this shade that much. One thing, when I got this, I was expecting this to be a super dark brown, like extreme dark, but it's not that dark. I will say it's a medium dark brown shade. But honestly, I really like this shade. It's so pretty. It's a perfect neutral undertone, medium deep brown on me. I love it. It's really good. And personally, I think this will suit so many Indian skin tones. But I want to clear, please don't trust the swatches provided by the website. They don't match. Anyways, let's talk about the formula. The formula is comfortable but can dry out your lips, so do a lip care beforehand. Gives you a soft powdery matte finish. When it comes to the blurring effect, it's not that much. Here's my final review. First, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is very average, nothing special. The design is very simple. It looks pretty, it looks like metallic packaging, sounds like metallic packaging, but it's so lightweight that I think it's plastic. बहुत ही हल्का प्रोडक्ट है. This one is very lightweight. Now let's talk about the main formula. It glides on smoothly and gives you really good intense color payoff. The formula dries quickly to a soft powdery matte finish. Just like its name, it's a soft matte finish formula, but it can dry out your lips, so do a lip care beforehand, because end of the day it feels like a normal matte lipstick. It gives you a matte finish. And when it comes to blurring effect, I haven't seen that big of a difference. अगर आप पास से देखोगे तो आपको लिप लाइंस दिखेगी, दूर से देखोगे तो मे बी कम दिखेगी, बट लिप लाइंस जाती नहीं है, दिखती है. नाउ वन मोर थिंग, आई हैव सीन मिक्स रिव्यूज. मैंने दो लड़कियों के वीडियोस देखे जिसमें वो बोल रही थी कि उनका ये लिपस्टिक क्लम्प होने लगता है, लाइक पैची क्लम्पी होने लगता है. पर्सनली इन माई एक्सपीरियंस पैची या क्लम्पी तो नहीं हुआ, एंड उन्होंने कहा था क्रैक भी होता है. मैंने ट्राई किया कि मैं अपने लिप्स को बहुत खींच के स्माइल करूँ, लाइक बहुत खींच के, हल्की सी क्रैकिंग दिख रही है, बट इट्स लाइक बहुत खींच रही हूँ तो हो रहा है. एंड ऐसे अनकंफर्टेबली बहुत ज्यादा क्रैकिंग नहीं है. एंड आई विल एक्सेप्ट कि आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट कि ये लिपस्टिक क्रैक करे टू चेक, तब हल्की सी क्रैकिंग दिखी मुझे। आई डोंट नो, पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस मैटर करता है। किसी के लिप्स ड्राई होते हैं, किसी के लिप्स हाइड्रेटेड होते हैं, बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स मैटर करते हैं। बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू बी क्लियर कि मैंने वैसे रिव्यूज़ भी देखे हैं। बट या ऑनेस्टली द फॉर्मूला इज़ गुड, बट अगेन it's average, nothing special, nothing out of the box. But I personally love the shade number 8. The shade number 8 is so pretty. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. It means a lot that you guys watch my videos. Please like and subscribe and help me grow my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.